Welcome to World in 2 Minutes. These are your headlines. It's reported ISIS militants may have blown up part of the Temple of Bel in Syria's ancient city of Palmyra. The Syrian Observatory for Human Rights, which is based in the UK, cited private sources for the story. Syrian antiquities officials are working to confirm the reports. The temple is one of the largest structures in the 2,000-year-old city, which is a UNESCO-listed World Heritage site. ISIS captured the city in May. Cambodia says it doesn't plan to accept any more refugees from a detention centre in Nauru. Cambodia agreed with Australia last September to take refugees in exchange for aid worth $28.6 million. Australia intercepts boats carrying asylum seekers from Indonesia and Sri Lanka and then diverts the passengers to detention centres in Papua New Guinea and Nauru. The resettlement deal between the two countries has been widely criticised. So far, only 4 asylum seekers have been transferred. Cambodia's interior minister told a newspaper there, "The less refugees we receive, the better." European shares fell on Monday. The 3 leading blue-chip indices for Europe, Germany and France, have now all fallen 9% this month. Analysts said the exchanges were close to their lowest performance in 4 years on Monday. World markets have largely been affected by Chinese stocks, which have fallen by 40% since mid-June. On Friday, the Fed announced it may raise the US interest rate as early as September. Horror film director Wes Craven has died of brain cancer. He was 76. His family said he died at home in Los Angeles. His most famous films were Nightmare on Elm Street and Scream, and he was also an author and Oscar winner. Thanks for watching. trtworld.com, Istanbul.